Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face some of the most thrilling rides on the planet? Then come with us and face your thrills! In Gatlinburg, Tennessee! We are at Anakeesta Mountain.
Anakeesta is located on a 70-acre mountain 600 feet above the city of Gatlinburg. With many thrills to face, like jumping on a glass floor 60 feet off the ground or walking on the longest tree-based skywalk in North America, with some parts 60 feet off the ground, or the sky ride to get there. Anakeesta is full of thrills. If you want to learn more about Anakeesta, check out our friend's video link on the screen. But for now, it's back to this video's thrill.
And in this video, we're going to ride Alpine Coaster!
Rail Runner is a single rail mountain coaster. It is the first of its kind in the United States. With 1,600 feet of downhill twists and turns, riders can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. With a 400-foot elevation change, in this video we will be racing through the trees at our own speed to see who can finish first.
Hey, before we hop on this ride, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this. And to the people who've already subscribed, thank you. It helps us a lot.
Have fun.
Okay. Mommy's gonna help. Bye. Do you love it?
Yeah, let's see.
What's your favorite part? Look at that. Pretend bear.
So fast.
Look around you. How beautiful.
It's a nice roller coaster.
Slow down a little bit.
That was fun. My favorite part is when you go down, you twist, turn, you come down. It's just super fun. Nothing to worry about. Woo, that was awesome. Ooh, that was awesome. Oh, I liked when you went down the hill. It was awesome.
My favorite part was the whole thing. I was scared. If you feel like me, you do like this. I will do this again.
The hill was awesome. It was kind of scary. I had to pull it down sometimes. I decided to go full speed, not pushing the brakes. The ride was awesome. Hill down was awesome. The tight turns that pulled you were awesome. It makes you more feel out of your seat.